Did you know that the first person to be hanged, drawn, and quartered for high treason was the last native Prince of Wales? Welcome back to Welsh Histories. Let's dive right in.
It was the 3rd of October 1283 when a totally unbiased parliament summoned by Edward I Longshanks concluded that Dafydd ap Gruffydd, the holder of the title Prince of Wales after his brother Llewellyn the Last was executed, should be sentenced to death for high treason. If you thought high treason would be a simple sentencing of a chair or a hanging, you are crudely mistaken. Dafydd ap Gruffydd was sentenced to be hanged, drawn, and quartered. What this meant was he was hanged until he was almost dead, then they would revive him, then they would disembowel him, which goes without saying, and then they burnt his insides before him. He was still alive while this happened, so not very fun. And then, if this wasn't enough, they beheaded him. So the hang, drawn, and quartering of Dafydd ap Gruffydd was the first such kind. If it sounds familiar to you, that's because William Wallace, better known as Braveheart, was similarly sentenced by the same King Edward I.
Our enemies, that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom!
A mere 22 years later. So Dafydd ap Gruffydd holds the title not just of the last Prince of Wales, but also the first to be sentenced to be hanged, drawn, and quartered. If you wish to find more historical content like this, you can follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/Welsh Histories. Additionally, we're also on Instagram. That's instagram.com/The Collective Histories. Thank you for listening, Hwyl fawr, and have a lovely day.